Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A36, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device by holding the power button, and from the boot options just select power off. Give it a moment, the device will turn off, and when it does, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. And the moment you will see the device starts to boot up, keep on holding the buttons till you have recovery mode visible, which is this mode right here. So there we go, that's how you boot into the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have reboot system. Now it takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot mode. As I'm saying both of those is because both of them enter fastboot mode. Apply updates from SD card, wipe data, enter safe mode, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna select the first option, confirm it, and this will, like I mentioned before, just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.